Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial class. Today's class is going to be a brief and a simple one. We'll be looking at some of the basic thing every designer should know, whether you are a beginner or a professional. They are the drop shadow effect, the gradient overlay, and then stroke. So without further ado, let's hop into it and get started. So once you launch your Adobe Photoshop, click on create new. They'll be using an A4 paper size, so go to print and then among the presets, select an A4. Everything will be given to you over here. And let's name our file to be effects. Press enter to create it. Once you create it, let's rotate this image 90 degrees clockwise. And press Ctrl plus to zoom in. So let's start by drawing a rectangle. Simply press U on the keyboard. I already have my color selected, so you can select any color of your choice and then draw. This is the U. Okay, you want a rectangle here. Draw a rectangle across. If you don't get a full rectangle, don't worry, you can use the Ctrl key to activate the P transform, and then you can move it, stretch it about to cover the whole page. When you finish, you press V and then come to the layer over here, right click it to rasterize. Right click among the menu, go to rasterize layer and then click on it. So once you rasterize a layer, you can add other effects to it. Good. So now let's add some text. Press T or come here and go to your text and select it. And you can select your font style and the type and then the font size and then your color. So let me select my color first. And color first. Okay, let me draw first. So text should be EP design class. EP design class. Okay. So look at something. When your cursor is on the text, it changes. When it's outside the text, it changes. Okay. So while on the text, it means you can further add something to it. So at this part, double click and drag across to select the text. Then you choose your color over here. Now I'm going to use a particular color code. You don't have to necessarily use mine. You can use any one of your choice. But make sure that whatever you choose makes your design beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to use this particular color. And also make your text large. This is okay. Then take it over here. So this is my first test. So let's start by adding drop shadow effect. So if you want to add a drop shadow effect, make sure your text layer is selected here. Then you go down, you see this effects at the bottom here, right click on it, then among the menus click on drop shadow effect, drop shadow. And once you click on it, you see that your text over here changes. Okay, the text will change by the color here. Okay, so you can click on the color and then select something different. You can use any color of your choice, but just make sure that whatever you choose makes your work look very nice. So I think this color would do for me. And click on OK. So the other things here, you can actually manipulate them, okay, and then whatever you do, the effect will be seen over here. So this is the angle of the effect you've just applied. You can manipulate by changing them, and once you change the angle, the effects will be seen, and then you turn it until you are okay with it, and then you can see these other tools here. You can actually increase them, decrease it, just play around them, okay, play around them. I want you to know how to use them, but mostly we don't apply to every test in our graphic design. It doesn't make it professional, just you apply to certain extent to make things look different, especially to your test. So this will do for me. Just manipulate yours as to how it will look beautiful to you. And then when you finish, you click on OK. Okay, so that's how to apply a drop shadow effect to any test of your choice while doing your graphic work. Now let's go to another test. Press T or come here and then select T over here. Now you click here and then let's add the second test, accelerate your online learning. You control A, then you minimize over here, make the test look smaller. Okay, so let me change the font style. Let me decrease it. So I think this is okay. Now the next effect we are going to apply here is called the gradient overlay. So to do that, click on the layer, okay, the layer we just added, okay, click on it, that is accelerate your online learning. Now click on it and then come to your FX. Among the options provided, click on gradient overlay. So once you click on it, you see that your text will change over here, okay, your text would change. Now we can also manipulate this, and to do that, click on the gradient color over here in the rectangle, and you'll be offered with the color choices. Okay, these are the combination of the colors used in getting this. You can click here, then come here to change the first color. You can choose any color of your choice, but as I said earlier, choose something that would make your work or assignment look nicer. Then click on this part and come here, click on it, then choose another color. I think the green will do for me. Okay, this will do for me. Then click on OK. Then click on OK over here. Now with this too, you can manipulate the angle, okay, the angle at which the effect is applied. You can move this around, then you adjust them until you get what you feel is okay for you. Now there are other presets of this effect. If you want to apply them, just click here, and then among the options you can click on any one that you want. See how beautiful